Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be making the authentic Ghana groundnut soup. So I'll begin by blending my bell pepper, onions, ginger and garlic aside. I'll be using this to steam my chicken. But before that, I marinated my chicken overnight. Before I continue, I would like to give a big shout out to the first timers on this page. This is the boss page and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I marinated my chicken with pepper, white pepper, black pepper, some rosemary and then oil, just that. And I kept it in the fridge overnight. So while steaming my chicken, I went ahead to cook my groundnut paste. I added tomato paste to my groundnut paste and I cooked it. And to know whether your groundnut is ready, you have to see an oil at the surface of the groundnut paste. Then you mix it with your steamed chicken or steamed fish or whatever you have. Then leave the rest to your fire to do its work. From here you can add whatever spices you have. I prefer my local ginger, my garlic, and my blended pepper. So I'll just throw in some garden eggs just to give it flavor. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and watch my other videos. Thank you so much guys. Love you. Bye.